everybody and welcome to my channel. For those of you who know me already, welcome back. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Pia, your host for all things luxury. And on today's video, we have one of my favorite unboxings. It's an Hermes handbag unboxing. Now, I personally enjoy watching these videos a lot, and I prefer it when we get down to the nitty-gritty straight ahead. So I'm just going to pick it up and open it with you without doing any sort of storytelling or anything like that. Although if that's something that you're interested in, don't hesitate to let me know on the comments down below, and I'll make sure to do it for my next one. So cute. It is a Picotin in the size 18. The bag itself comes in different sizes. I picked the size 18, which, if I'm not mistaken, is the smallest size. It comes with a little lock and a set of keys that are unique to your lock. So if you do lose your keys, you have to go ahead and get a new lock. Not that it's happened, but I've heard it can happen. Regarding the color of this bag, I picked it in the shade Étoupe, which is actually a shade that I do have a couple of accessories in already, and that is why I wanted a bag to complement the orange sandals in Étoupe and the Kelly belt in Étoupe with yellow gold hardware, which makes it the perfect match for this bag. This particular color is normally paired with a contrasting stitching, which is not the case in my other Picotins I have in my collection. They've done the stitching in the exact same color as the leather, whereas in this occasion it's got an ecru, almost white stitching for all the bag, and then it's going to come with that lovely Étoupe color, which I think is one of those magic colors. It just marries so well with the cool tones in your wardrobe. It marries really well with warm tones in your wardrobe, and it's overall just a really easy to pair color that's going to be great for all year round. I picked mine in the yellow gold hardware. The hardware on this bag is minimal, but to my taste, it's the right amount of sheen to give a little bit of a pop of sparkle to the bag. So it's going to come with the locket in there. There's also a little bit of hardware, and then there's also 4 feet on the bottom for the bag to stand on top of. It smells absolutely delicious. The leather I got on this one is Clemence leather, which I've heard comes from the male, in contrast to Togo leather, which comes from the lady. And I do have my Birkin in a Togo leather, and it's really, really similar. Although on this one, the grain will be a little bit larger, making the whole bag a little bit more supple. That is why it's so important with Picotins to store them with the actual little inflated bags that they give them to you from the store. In terms of sizing, I've gotten this one in the size number 18, although it does come in other sizes, which I will put right here so you can check out and see what they look like in comparison and in proportion to this one. And to me, it's the perfect sizing because it does carry quite a lot. You can fit a large sized wallet, a couple of phones, my vlogging camera, hand sanitizer, sunglasses, all that stuff that you would normally want to have on a small handbag, you can carry in it. And that is why I think that it makes the perfect sort of day bag and also day into night event. So whenever I'm going to this sunset events, or when I went to the Ascot races with Maison Lorette earlier this summer, I also carried a Picotin. I think they're super, super lovely. They dress up an outfit, and they're also a handbag that it's kind of an in the know handbag. They are getting more and more known lately, and hence their resale price has gone up quite a lot. However, it is still a handbag that I'm happy and confident and chilled to carry around when I'm walking around London or Paris or this type of cities, when sometimes you're in a rush, you're gonna get late somewhere, you do have to take the metro, and a piece like this just makes you feel a little bit safer walking around. It's not so attention grabbing. However, it's still something that's going to make you look polished. It's still going to complement an outfit very well, and in my opinion, it's just a lovely shape. I do love this type of like buckety style of bags. I love the idea that you can get in and out of the bag easily from the top. It's not a lined bag. The interior will be just raw leather, and I do find that some of them tend to shed a little bit more than others. I don't know what it is, because all of the ones I have are in Clemence leather. My Nata one tends to shed a little bit more than my Midnight Blue one. However, that might be the case because I have used the Midnight Blue one quite a lot more, and yeah, it might be just that the Nata one is still in kind of like new condition, even if I've worn it quite a lot. But I have babied it a little bit more, obviously it being a Nata shade bag. I do have a big passion for handbags, craftsmanship, and I do appreciate knowing the history of like what the design came to be like, why was that particular design chosen for that piece, etc., etc. And when I got my first one, I was actually told a little bit about the history of why this bag came to be. And it's actually been designed after the mangeoire, if I'm not mistaken. I don't think my pronunciation is very good on that. But anyway, it's created after the little bucket device that's used to feed horses while they're standing. I'll insert a little picture of that in here so you can see what that looks like. I thought that's super, super cute. I do love horses myself. It's just nice to incorporate that and know where it's coming from, what the history behind it is. I think out of their different handbag models, it's one of the ones that will be the most intricately related to the essence and the DNA of the brand. Obviously, they are an equestrian brand, and so having something that's derived out of a horse accessory is a very nice touch to their whole handbag collection. I think it's just absolutely gorgeous. I have seen some people take the different tops from here and either attach a chain or a twilly. I have even seen people take the farandole necklace and attach it right here to create a chain. I am thinking it might be cute if I style this in here with a little twilly. So if you're interested in seeing how I do that, do let me know in the comments and I will make another video on how to style your bags with twillies, etc. You might be seeing it on TikTok later. I might be doing a little bit of a couple of let's style my bags together videos. Alright you guys, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing. And if you're not done watching, I'll leave you 2 more in here so you can binge a little bit more. See you on the next one. Bye!